Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that you might encounter while working with art. Picture this. You have a string that represents a list of vectors with varying numbers of elements, and you need to convert it into a format that it can understand. It's a classic problem that many data analysts face, and we're here to walk you through the solution step by step. So, let's talk about the solution. The first part involves breaking down the string and removing unnecessary characters to isolate the elements within each vector. By using functions like strsplit in sub, we can transform the messy string into a cleaner format. This allows us to organize the data into a list of vectors with the correct number of elements, making it easier to work with. Building on a previous step, we can enhance the solution to handle potential inconsistencies in the input string. By incorporating additional pattern matching techniques, we can ensure that the conversion process remains robust and reliable, even if the input data varies slightly. This refined approach adds an extra layer of flexibility to the solution, accommodating different formats and structures within the original string. In summary, we've tackled a common data manipulation problem in R by transforming a complex string into a structured list of vectors. By leveraging a combination of string manipulation functions and pattern matching techniques, we successfully converted the string into a more manageable format. And there you have it, another challenge overcome in the world of data analysis. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!